Hi, welcome back to Rise with Ryan. It's been a little while. A lot's been going on. I had a little bit of a snowstorm. Had to stay in a hotel for work for a few days. We had more than 11 inches of snow. Probably more like 20 altogether. I'm not sure. It was a lot. I was stuck at the hotel, couldn't move my car out. One day I had to hitch a ride to work on a plow truck. After 3 days in the hotel, I also ate some food that wasn't good for me. A little bit of delivery. A little bit of snacks that I shouldn't have been having. And that's on me, because I could have done better. I could have made healthier choices, and just could have been better overall. Recently, it just took me, until today, I'm just back the weight I was 2 weeks ago. Basically starting my journey over again. I've made partially smart choices, partially not. This is going to be a struggle for me. Hopefully I can get my butt in line and take care of business. So my last weigh-in was 232 pounds, and that's where I'm back at today. And it's going to be a better week, and I'm going to show you, because next time I make a video next Wednesday, it's going to be better. I'm going to have a goal of losing 2 pounds in the next 7 days. I need to take more walks, even if that means me bundling up and walking in the snow, as you see on the ground everywhere here. Even after weeks, 2 weeks since the snowstorm, the roads are clear now. The snow on the ground is still not melted. It is warming up this week. It's actually only about 46 degrees outside today, which was better than the negative. It feels like negative that we were in before the snowstorm happened. I don't know. I'm just keep it on going. Keep on trucking, as they say. Just taking a walk today. Taking a walk around the neighborhood. Scoping the place out. See if there's any hoodlums out running around. I actually live in a small town where we don't have a whole lot of people, and not a lot of people that worry about. We don't have to worry about break-ins and stuff like that. Of course, we keep our houses locked, our cars locked. But there was once a day where you didn't have to think about that in this town. But I think that we've always been a family that locked our doors at night. We don't have to worry about anyone jumping in our car and taking it. We might nowadays. Might be a little bit different now. I think a lot of the kids that were running around town that were causing problems are grown up and somewhat learned how to be decent human beings. And it's a nice little town. Been here all my life. Been here 47 years. Living in the same house that my grandma owned when I was a child. It's nice to have a place that you've lived your entire life. I've never really moved anywhere. I've never had to pack up my stuff and go. Got lucky there. Hopefully living there the rest of my life. Rise with Ryan. Watch me try. Wheezing up a hill. Pretending I can fly. Looking like a crazy man. I'm feeling half alive. Subscribe and watch me try.